Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment and connecting to a cluster. You add the kubeconfig file into Lens and immediately select the desired context. This gives you cluster visibility. Make sure Lens can access metrics and API aggregation so resource views populate. If you use cloud credentials, authenticate through your provider plugin. Once connected, confirm nodes and namespaces appear in the sidebar. This first connection opens the control plane dashboard you will use next. Now you inspect and manage live resources with Lens. You click a deployment to see replica counts, then scale or edit the manifest inline to apply changes. This lets you iterate quickly. For debugging, open pod logs and a terminal in one click and port forward a service to your workstation. Make sure to check events and metrics panels to understand performance before making changes. While deploying a Helm release, use the built-in chart support so upgrades and rollbacks are consistent and auditable. Finish by validating deployments and locking down your workspace. You run health checks, confirm readiness and liveness probes succeed, and verify resource quotas to prevent surprises. Save your kubeconfig and workspace settings so you can recover quickly. This preserves contexts and extensions. If something breaks, start by reading pod logs and events, then inspect recent restarts and API server connectivity. This pinpoints causes. If needed, roll back with Helm or restore a previous manifest, and reapply fixes once the root cause is clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.